Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the language of business. Today, we're diving into a report from Healthpeak Properties, and let me tell you, it's not just about health and peaks. There might be some unexpected turns, just like when you think you're hiking a gentle trail and suddenly you're scaling a cliff. Let's see what this company is really up to. First off, Healthpeak Properties Inc. is the company we're focusing on. They're a real estate investment trust, or REIT. In simple terms, they own and manage a bunch of properties, mainly in the healthcare space. Think hospitals, medical office buildings, and senior living communities. They make money by leasing these properties out. This report is an 8K, a snapshot of important events that happened, with the date of the earliest event being February 26, 2025. It's like a quick update on something significant that investors should know about. Not the usual quarterly or annual report. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. The main event is an upcoming presentation by Healthpeak's president and CEO, Scott Brinker. He's scheduled to speak at the CD 2025 Global Property CEO Conference. This is a big deal as it puts Healthpeak in front of a large audience of investors and analysts. It's a chance for them to shine and talk about their strategy and outlook. Mark your calendars, this presentation is happening on March 3, 2025. It's important because it will likely give us insights into what Healthpeak thinks about the future of healthcare real estate and where they see themselves fitting in. For those interested, you can catch a live webcast of the presentation on Healthpeak's website. They will also post the presentation materials online a couple of days prior, on February 28, 2025. This is super useful for investors because they can get a sneak peek at what the CEO will be talking about and follow along during the presentation. A replay will be available until the beginning of March the following year. Finally, the report is signed off by Peter A. Scott, the Chief Financial Officer. This signature basically says, "I'm responsible for this information and I believe it's accurate." It's a standard part of these filings, ensuring accountability. So what can we learn from all this? Well, while this 8K is pretty short and sweet, it tells us that Healthpeak is actively engaging with the investment community. They're putting themselves out there, which suggests they're confident in their story and want to keep investors informed. This conference is a key opportunity for them to influence how investors view the company. Now, let's step back and think about the bigger picture. Healthpeak operates in a very specific part of the real estate market, healthcare. This sector has its own unique challenges and opportunities. For example, the aging population is creating more demand for senior living facilities and medical services. On the other hand, changes in healthcare policy and rising costs can create uncertainty. So, how is Healthpeak positioned to handle these trends? Well, that's what we need to dig deeper into. We'd want to look at their recent financial results, their portfolio of properties, and their overall strategy. Unfortunately, this 8K doesn't contain all this data. However, let's speculate a bit. Given that they're participating in this CD conference, they probably have a positive story to tell. They might be highlighting new investments they've made, improvements in occupancy rates, or cost-saving measures they've implemented. They might also be talking about how they're adapting to the changing healthcare landscape. From just this announcement, it's hard to say definitively whether Healthpeak is a strong or weak company. We don't have the hard numbers in this report. However, their willingness to present at a major investor conference is a positive sign. It suggests they have something worthwhile to share and they're committed to transparency. Ultimately, whether Healthpeak is a good investment depends on a lot of factors, including your own risk tolerance and investment goals. It's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this corporate decoder, please subscribe, like, and comment.